And so if the heart chakra is shut down, this is one of the most important chakras in the entire body. If the heart chakra is shut down, that means all of this power from the earth, my creative energy and my sexual energy and my power, if my heart shut down, that stuff is not going to move up into the higher chakras. What's going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to support you in your evolutionary journey. What I want to support you with today is an idea revolving around how to turn your mind on, how to get your mind to support you in creating and doing what it is you want to do. And how many of you out there have this little voice inside of your head that oftentimes deters you from behaving in a particular way, in a way that would serve you? How many of you have a voice out there inside in your head that maybe sometimes in the moment you want to say something, or you want to access a deeper thought or piece of information that you have, but this voice gets in the way, creating all types of anxiety and fear and blockage that keeps you from being the most authentic, powerful self. It keeps you from showing up fully. If you're anything like me, you've had this experience in life, right? And it can be quite annoying. And so what I want to support you with today is how to turn your brain on, how to get the light bulb to go off so that awareness is restored. There's a clarity restored. There's an ability to access words and ideas and information, and it's all accessible at the snap of a finger. I want to share with you how to create a presence inside of your mind that allows you to engage with life the way you want to engage with life. And so what's worked for me is I've noticed every time my mind gets scattered and out of whack, it's because my heart closes off in some way. And when my mind gets clear and I get high in my thoughts, my thoughts become high vibrational and powerful, and my attention is accessible, it's controllable. I find that every time that happens, my heart has opened up. My heart is engaged, right? If you're familiar with the chakra system, we all have 7 chakras, right? At the bottom, at the base, there's the root chakra. This is the chakra that's connected to the earth and is associated with security. Then above that, there's the sacral, which is the chakra associated with creativity and sexual energy. Above that, we have the solar plexus, which is the chakra associated with power and energy production. Then we have the heart chakra, which is associated with love. And not only is this heart chakra associated with love, but it's the gateway between the lower chakras and the higher chakras, which is the throat, which is the center for sound and ether and the ability to command the word. Then there's the third eye chakra, which is the chakra in touch with the inner light and intuition and vision, imagination. And then there's the crown chakra, which is the chakra that plugs into the rest of the universe, the brain, where all the infinite intelligence is and is located. And so if the heart chakra is shut down, this is one of the most important chakras in the entire body. If the heart chakra is shut down, that means all of this power from the earth, my creative energy and my sexual energy and my power, if my heart shut down, that stuff is not going to move up into the higher chakras. I won't be speaking. If my heart shut down, it's going to be hard to speak from a powerful place. If my heart shut down, it's going to be hard to envision a future in a powerful way. If my heart shut down, it's going to be hard to tap into God. It's going to be hard for the halo to get activated. It's going to be hard for me to download wisdom and infinite intelligence. And so if you're looking to develop a better relationship with that voice in your head, an incredible place to start is to start with what's happening in your heart. Right? What pain is in there? What's happened in the past that's caused your heart to feel wounded? Where is your heart wounded? And a lot of us will value like a leg wound so much. Like, I cut my leg. I got to give that attention. I got to give that attention. Maybe you'll have a financial wound where a bill hits you unexpectedly and you feel wounded financially. Maybe your car breaks down and your car's wounded and you need to go repair it immediately. Yet, for some reason, all of us seem to be able to dismiss emotional, spiritual heart wounds very easily. And we won't invest time and attention and money into the heart wounds. And to me, this is backwards, because if I'm able to heal my heart, right, if I'm able to heal these heart wounds, then I get access to my power. I get access to my mind, which is creating my life. Right? So it's not about the outside physical wounds to address so that your mind can be more clear, but it's about addressing that inner heart wound area, so that all this energy in my chakras can flood up to my crown and I can bring all this infinite intelligence down through my heart into the ground. And I can be present and hear in these synergistic, flowy ways. And so, to wrap this video up today, if you're looking to clear your mind, to be present, to be able to access 100% of your potential and your power, your mental, intellectual, spiritual power, one of the best places to start is your heart. If you're looking for support in opening up your heart so these energies can flow, and you can step into your power and your most authentic self, your best version. If you're looking for support with that, reach out. I'd love to have a conversation with you. You can hit me up, go to my website, www.gordonxavier.com, or the link in the description box or in my bio, and book your first free expression session with me. I'd love to support you in opening up your heart, so that you're able to access your power and create the life of your dreams. I'd love to support you in that way. So thank you for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share your experiences, share your thoughts, and share this video, give it a repost. And as always, much love to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for doing this work. Thank you for making it all the way through and reflecting on the things I'm saying, because they're important. I thank you for being that type of individual and showing up in this moment fully for you. Much love. Namaste.